Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It's like today we're doing puzzle number 39. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this top row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. But that 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 1, 5, 1 here, so 5, 7, and no help here, 1, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 2, 6. That 5 makes this our 7, 1, 5, 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 8. No other help. So 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 1, 6, that 1 makes this our 4, 1. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 1, 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 7, 8. That means the only place the 5 can be in that row is here. For this row now, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 2, 6, and 7 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 7, 6, 2. And that 8 makes this our 7, 8, 7, 8. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.